words left on the shelf, full of dust, you'll know it's me and from nobody else. Grab your seat at the fantasy parade. What I see is all inside my head. I come to you and hopefully I can contain myself. Pulsing blood that flows through me and wants nobody else. See through me and all of my charades. I am not any less afraid. Am I hanging on too tight? Baby, you're my light. Am I hanging on too tight? Baby, you're my light. I never wanna fall away or lose my sight. Am I hanging on too tight? For me, it's just the thought of you that sets it right. Baby, you're my light. I never wanna fall away or lose my sight. Am I hanging on too tight? For me, it's just the thought of you that sets it right. Baby, you're my light. I never wanna fall away or lose my sight. Am I hanging on too tight? For me, it's just the thought of you that sets it right. Baby, you're my light. I never wanna fall away or lose my sight. Am I hanging on too tight? For me, it's just the thought of you that sets it right. Baby, you're my light. Am I hanging on too tight? Baby, you're my light. Am I hanging on too tight? Baby, you're my light.
Hi, my angel fairies. I hope you guys are enjoying your day, and thank you so much for tuning in with me today. So like I said before in the beginning of this video is telling you guys that you aren't stagnant. You're finally moving, you're finally transforming, and you're moving towards your manifestation and the goals that you have set. in the past couple of months. Now, if you guys didn't know, it is eclipse season. Eclipse season started on April 30th with the solar eclipse in Taurus, I believe. And for this, I learned so much, or I've literally been propelled into a new reality where all my desires are just chilling and waiting for me to pick them up and go with it. And what that means is, like, I feel the energy internally of me transforming and aligning with my highest desires, with my manifestations. And this doesn't mean that I'm manifesting anything new, because, you know, during eclipse season, you do not want to manifest. You want to allow yourself to rest, to flow, to allow the universe to bring in the stuff that you asked for beforehand instead of manifesting new things. I just saw 555 transformation. So during this time, I highly recommend you guys just align yourself with the intentions you set before April 30th. And that's what's going to bring in your desires with ease during this time, because this eclipse season, especially the month of May, it smells so successful. It smells so abundant. It smells like you're finna get everything you ever wanted. The manifestations you set months ago is finna plop itself into your reality right now in this moment. And I feel it internally, and I already see it happening externally. I see myself really aligning with peace, with happiness, and with abundance. And it's not because of anything outside of me, which is key when you want to manifest the things that you desire. You don't want your external world to have so much control over how you feel inside. And I think it's such a blessing to finally be in a place where I'm like, yes, I am happy. Yes, I am at peace. Yes, I am healthy. And it's not because something has happened to me to make this happen. It's just because I feel it internally, naturally, with ease. And I'm connecting with the divine, and I'm connecting with my ancestors, and I'm opening myself up to their guidance. I'm opening myself up to other people, and it just feels really, really amazing. One thing I really want to share with you guys when it comes to this eclipse season, and it actually happened when I was at the creek this day, was that I saw a butterfly, and it was just flying around, and I was like, can you guys come here? Can you come here real quick? And it didn't come. And right in that moment, I had received a download, and that download was that you are transforming into something extremely beautiful. You are this butterfly, and you are flying towards your desires, and you're not allowing anyone to stop you from these blessings that you're going towards. So I feel like all of us need to hear that in order to move forward and truly make sure that this eclipse season is going to be the best one yet, as much as possible. But yeah, I hope this brings some clarity, you guys, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see my little angel fairies next time. Bye, my loves. Mwah.